Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2018 Toyota Yaris IA. This one is your four-door sedan, of course. It is in the Arctic white exterior with the blue-black cloth. Then checking out our window sticker, we do have options as far as the clear print protection door package and the phone charger for a total of $18,213. And then gas mileage is going to be exceptional at 32 city and 40 out on the highway. So coming to your wheels, we are riding on Toyo Proxys tires, and these are going to be your 16-inch alloys. Then coming around back, your single outlet chrome tip exhaust as well as rear backup camera. We'll go ahead and press unlock. Then coming in, just go ahead and put your foot on the brake, press your button to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. Coming underneath the hood, we have a 1.5 liter dual overhead cam inline 4-cylinder engine. It does produce 106 horsepower and 103 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming back inside. As you can see, we do have that blue-black cloth. It is a 6-way manual driver seat. Dual panel materials. Nice rubberized stitched armrest with your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Driver window is auto up and down. Door storage down below. Coming to your steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke urethane wrapped wheel. We have our audio as well as our Bluetooth and voice commands on the left, and on the right we do have our cruise. On the left we do have our tap to 3 blinks blinkers as well as headlights. On the right, variable intermittent speed wipers. As you can see, gauges, we do have our big analog speedometer as well as our digital tach. And then over here we do have our gas and as well as our range, temperature, stuff like that. This one does only have 4 miles on it. And then checking out your head unit, it is a touchscreen, but it also can be controlled via this controller down here. So going to your main menu, you do have your apps, as well as entertainment, communication, navigation, and settings. Going to your entertainment, it is going to be the typical AM, FM, as well as AHA, Pandora, Stitcher, Bluetooth. There also is 2 USB ports and an auxiliary port down here. Nice stitched upper door or upper dashboard right here. Some airplane style vents that are very nice. Down below here, single zone manual climate controls with your temperature, fan speed, and zones. As previously mentioned, those audio inputs as well as a 12-volt power outlet and your SD card input for navigation if you do choose to buy that. Storage right there. Then this is going to be your 6-speed automatic transmission. Manual shift mode right here. And then in reverse, you do have your rear view camera right up there. Sport mode activation below that. Then there's that controller for your head unit right up there. Cup holders as well as some storage. As well as glove box, we do have our phone charger and owner's manuals in there. Manually dimming rearview mirror with vanity mirror on your sun visor. Map lights, and some sunglass storage up top. So that's about it for the front seat. Let's go ahead and check out the rear. Coming back here, of course your cloth does carry through with the same blue and black pattern. Of course behind my front, now coming back here to the rear, it is worth mentioning that you do have your Toyota Care, which is no cost service and maintenance for 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first. But coming back here, of course your blue-black cloth carries through. Behind the driver's seat, knee room is adequate as well as foot room is plentiful, as well as that little storage cubby. And then what is nice is you do have your head restraints that do go up, but they can be slid back down for better visibility if no one's back here. Of course you do have some coat hooks, and then your power windows right there. So we'll hop back out and we will check out the cargo area. Now coming around back, to open up your trunk there's a button inside as well as a button on your key. Just press that and we'll open right up. You have your 60/40 folding split seats as well as your line trunk lid with your emergency release. Plenty of room down in there. Underneath your floor you have your temporary spare tire and jack. Go ahead and close that up. And so that'll be it for this 2018 Toyota Yaris IA. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any other model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.